What's going on, guys? Broken Solar Panel here. Today I'm going to show you some of the innards of the mini sd10. Didn't get you an opportunity to do that until now when I need to realign one of the parts in the chopper. A little balloon piece or whatever that is used, the rubber thing that's used to hold the chopper in place. It hit the bearings, sort of. I don't know how to describe it, but what I need to do is replace that rubber thing. Also, I'm going to show you the secret to how the chopper motor in this thing winds down so slowly without a capacitor. The brushes are modified. Can't really see that. Hang on a second. You can see there, the brushes are modified. They don't have the blocks on there. So therefore they press down harder on the collector rings inside the motor, these parts. So therefore it's able to wind down slower and smoother. Okay, I just took the intake tube off and now you can see the chopper inside. 12/9 port, just like a real sd10. Look closely, you can see the ports opening and closing. Stupid shadow keeping being casted by the camera. Since the motor is taken apart, the chopper's like all wiggly now. It's probably going to hit the stator. There you go, now you can kind of see it. Alright, now I'm going to remove the chopper so you can see the stator empty. Alright, here's the mini sd10 with the chopper removed. You can see the 12-port part right here and the 9-port part right here. Here's the chopper outside the stator. And there's a little piece of balloon I was talking about that holds the chopper on the axle. Because without that, the chopper would just simply slip off. So I'm going to replace that. And then I'm going to put it back together again. Okay, I just fixed the mini sd10's chopper, but it's like nighttime actually, so I'm not going to tell you what exactly time it is now, but it's pretty late, so I can only do a growl. I don't want to wake anyone up. Okay, it's working now. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a damper on it so I can get it up faster without waking anyone up. Put the box from my mini Thunderbolt's old failed capacitor on top of the mini intake, on the intake here, and wind it up. Now this is just going to wind it. It goes up much faster when there's no air going to it. Plus I'm using a 9-volt. And to get up to the proper speed, I need to use 5 volts DC. At 1 amp. Alright, now it's time to put this thing all back together again. Alright, I got the mini sd10 back together again. Now let's go ahead and spin it up. Obviously it's not going to be as loud because the intake's still plugged up by the table. Let's see what happens. Still only not going to spin it up to full speed though. Alright, now let's see if I can get it to what speed it would be at full speed if it was on the right type of power and the intake wasn't plugged up. Seems to be working. Alright, let's put this thing back on the stand. There you have it. Mini SD10's fixed. I had forgotten to demonstrate at first what was exactly wrong with it, but I'm going to tell you, it was just kind of sticky though. Let's just say it was sticky. Like, it would slow down too quickly and it wouldn't go up to full speed. When I turned it on or turned it off or whatever. When I turned it off, it would slow down too quickly.